Good evening, students. Hope you all safe at home. We are seeing quadrilaterals, construction of quadrilaterals. Today we are going to see construction of special quadrilaterals. So, if you see this page 192, you have some activities 192, 193, and 194. So, you go through the activities, do by your own. Then, some basic shapes and their properties have given in page number 194. So if we see here, we can understand special quadrilaterals. What are the special quadrilaterals? So parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square. These are the basic shapes you have learned in the earlier classes. So all sides, then all angles, then opposite sides, all angles, opposite angles, diagonals. These are the properties. This these shapes should satisfy these properties. So for example, first shape, parallelogram, all sides equal, sometimes it may be equal. Then all angles, sometimes it may be equal. Then opposite sides always equal. If opposite sides are equal, then we can say it as parallelogram. Then opposite sides are parallel, then we can say it is an parallelogram. Then all angles 90 degrees, sometimes it may happen. So while you are learning the basic shapes, you can understand these properties. If you don't know, you go through this page. This is very important. Then try this. Say true or false. A square is a special rectangle. So you have to answer whether it's a true or false. For this purpose only, I have told you to go through the activity part. If you go through the activity part, you can able to answer for these questions. So this is also you should try. These are the activities which we can do by the matchsticks or broomsticks. Then construction of a parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? Parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel. So in simple way we can say like that. Opposite sides are parallel. Construction of a parallel. How to construct a parallelogram? So if you see this, note similar arrows indicates the parallel sides. So if you see the similar arrows, so in both arrows, I'll zoom it. So here two arrows, here also two arrows are there. So both the sides are similar. Here you can see the one. These both are similar. So like that you can identify by the shapes. Here also these lines indicate the similar. Two lines are there. These are similar. These opposite lines are having one. So these two are similar. Now we will see how to construct a parallelogram. This practical geometry part, if you see exercise 5.4, then exercise 5.5, then exercise up to exercise 5.5 fourth sum. All the method are similar which we have solved in exercise 5.3. So constructing a parallelogram, I'll read the question. Listen. Construct a parallelogram when its two adjacent sides and one angle are given. So two adjacent sides. So two opposite sides have given, then one angle are given. So how to construct it? So construct a parallelogram bird. So BIRD, bird. So construct a parallelogram bird. BI is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So BI is 6.5 centimeter. So opposite sides are equal. Already we have learned in the properties. So same opposite DR also 6.5 centimeter. Then IR is equal to 5 centimeter. So IR is equal to 5 centimeter. The opposite for IR is BD. This is also having 5 centimeter. Then BIR angle is given. BIR. So BIR is 70 degree. So we should take the angle in right hand side. So right hand side means you should see the outer angle. Also find its area. So what is the formula for finding the area? So the area of a parallelogram is simple. Base into height square unit. What is the area of the formula? Area of the parallelogram, base into height. So now we will see how to construct. So first, by given measurements, we should draw a baseline. BIRD, bird, BI is equal to 6.5 centimeter. By using scale ruler, you should draw 6.5 centimeter. Then with I as center. So with I as center, place a protector here. Then take outer angle. So outer angle, you need to draw a straight line. So once again I do, you should draw a straight line 70 degree. So IBIR. So IR is equal to 5 centimeter. So take a compass, take 5 centimeter and cut an arc as R. So the intersecting part is R. So BIR. Now RD. So RD and BI are same. BI and RT are same because opposite sides. So you need to draw 6.5 centimeter with R as center. Cut an arc 6.5 centimeter. Now B, D and IR are same. So IR and BD are same. These are opposite sides. So you should cut an arc. RD is 6.5 centimeters and BD is equal to 5 centimeters. Then join these two lines. So now you will get the parallelogram. So this is the way you have to draw a parallelogram by using the given measurements. So I will do the exercise sum. If you see the exercise sums, so in exercise sums, you can see it here. Construct the following parallelogram with the given measurement and find their area. So ARTS, the first question is ARTS. The same way AR, the baseline you're going to draw now. The baseline is AR is 6 centimeter. Then RT equal to 5 centimeter. Before drawing RT, you need to draw a angle ART, the 70 degree, the same which we did in the example sum. So 70 degree, draw an arc, then cut an arc 5 centimeter, then TS is 6 centimeter, then AS is again 5 centimeter. So cut an arc, then you can join a parallelogram. This is the simple method which we can do by given measurement. So drawing the parallelogram. So if we see the other sums, next sums. the exercise sums. I'll explain. So next you can see the construction of a rhombus. Then how to construct the rhombus. So for these shapes you need to learn the activities part. In activities part itself they have given the properties, what is rhombus, rectangle, then square. So this practical geometry is very easy part which we can do easily. So go through the sums. If you know the sums, exercise sums, you draw. I will attach the PDF of these sums along with this video. You go through, draw neatly, sharpen the pencil and draw. So while correcting I can see some notes are not neat, so draw neatly. So go through. If you have any doubt you can ask me. So here you can see in exercise 5.5 we have construction of parallelogram, then rhombus, a rectangle, then square. So you can do in this Saturday Sundays, you can do by your own. So if you have you can ask me. So thank you students.